is you needed reliable equipment. Now from that, you also needed to be able to update and improve the equipment going forward. So the decision was made to have our own in-house research and development.
The actual manufacturing side of the company started in 1964. Andrew's father was running the business next door, and in moving here we acquired a new customer. We started making his equipment. We tried to come up with ideas that other people hadn't thought of, try and make the products more eco-friendly, reduce the amount of current required to use them. Also develop things that will sustain food longer. Any franchisee or person using the equipment, if they've got anything that they don't like about it, we're in the position where we can adapt and change things, and we're able within a matter of weeks or days even to look into these problems and try and solve them.